you ever feel like your body is slowly losing its spark, making simple daily tasks like gardening or playing with grandkids feel like a heavy chore? Most seniors are told that fading energy and stiff joints are just an unavoidable part of aging, but the latest longevity science proves that simply isn't true. Your vitality hasn't disappeared. It is simply waiting for the specific nutritional fuel and strategic movements required to wake up your cells and your muscles. Today, I am revealing a natural, step-by-step protocol to reclaim your mobility and double your daily energy without needing a gym or any expensive treatments. Make sure to watch until the end, because the simple habit stacking technique in point 3 can literally change how your body feels in just 7 days.
To wake up your body effectively, you must understand that your cells are like tiny engines that require immediate lubrication and sparking after a long night of rest. According to the Journal of Physiology, even mild dehydration in seniors can lead to significant muscle weakness and a noticeable drop in cognitive focus before noon. Start your day with 16 ounces of room temperature water mixed with a squeeze of fresh lemon and a tiny pinch of high-quality sea salt for essential electrolytes. The vitamin C in lemon acts as a powerful antioxidant that clears out cellular waste, while the minerals in sea salt help your nerves communicate with your muscles. Wait 30 minutes before your first cup of coffee, as caffeine on an empty stomach can spike cortisol and actually drain your energy levels by the mid-afternoon. For your morning fuel, focus on slow-release energy by pairing a bowl of steel-cut oats with a tablespoon of chia seeds and a handful of fresh blueberries. The beta-glucan fiber in oats provides a steady stream of glucose to your brain, preventing the sugar crash that often leads to morning fatigue and irritability. Chia seeds are a powerhouse for seniors because they are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which the Mayo Clinic identifies as a key factor in reducing joint stiffness. Blueberries contain anthocyanins that improve blood flow to the brain and limbs, ensuring that oxygen reaches your muscles so they feel light and ready for movement. This nutritional combination creates a metabolic bridge that sustains your physical strength and mental clarity until your midday meal without needing sugary snacks. By mastering this first hour of your day, you are not just eating breakfast, you are biologically signaling to your body that it is time to thrive, not just survive. As you reach the middle of the day, your joints often begin to stiffen due to inactivity, making it the perfect time to introduce anti-inflammatory living foods. The Arthritis Foundation notes that chronic inflammation is a primary thief of energy in seniors, often caused by a diet too high in processed flours and sugars. For lunch, aim for a rainbow plate, featuring a base of deep leafy greens like spinach or kale, which are packed with magnesium to help your muscles relax. Add a portion of fatty fish like sardines or wild-caught salmon, which provide the high-quality protein and vitamin D necessary to keep your bone density strong. If you prefer plant-based options, a cup of lentils or chickpeas offers the perfect blend of fiber and protein to keep your blood sugar stable and your energy high. Drizzle your meal with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, which contains oleocanthal, a natural compound that mimics the anti-inflammatory effect of ibuprofen. To support your gut health, which houses 70% of your immune system, include a small serving of fermented food like sauerkraut or a few spoonfuls of Greek yogurt. Research from Harvard Health suggests that a healthy gut biome reduces systemic inflammation, allowing your body to spend energy on movement rather than fighting stress. After eating, avoid the urge to sit on the couch. Instead, perform 2 minutes of seated leg extensions to pump fresh, nutrient-rich blood into your knee joints. Simply sit upright and slowly straighten one leg at a time, holding for 3 seconds to engage the quadriceps and protect the cartilage within your kneecaps.
This combination of internal lubrication from healthy fats and external activation from light movement ensures your mobility remains fluid throughout the afternoon. Between 3 and 5 p.m., many seniors experience a circadian dip, where energy levels plummet and the temptation to reach for sugary snacks becomes very high. Instead of sugar, reach for a handful of walnuts or almonds, which provide the healthy fats and boron that the National Institutes of Health link to better bone health. Pair these nuts with an apple or a pear, as the natural pectin fiber slows down digestion and ensures a steady release of energy into your bloodstream for hours. This is the critical window to practice habit stacking, a technique where you attach a new movement habit to something you already do every single day. For example, every time you boil the kettle for tea or use the microwave, perform 10 countertop push-ups to maintain strength in your chest, arms, and shoulders. Simply place your hands on the edge of the counter, step your feet back, and slowly lower your chest while keeping your core tight to support your lower back. According to the American Council of Exercise, these short microbursts of activity are more effective for senior metabolism than one long, exhausting workout session. To combat heavy leg syndrome, try the heel-to-toe rock while waiting for a phone call, which strengthens the calves and improves your overall walking balance. Rising up onto your toes and then back onto your heels stimulates the lymphatic system, which helps flush out the toxins that contribute to afternoon swelling. If you feel a brain fog setting in, take 5 deep belly breaths, inhaling for 4 seconds and exhaling for 6 to flood your nervous system with calming oxygen. These small, intentional actions bridge the gap between lunch and dinner, ensuring you have the physical reserve to enjoy your evening without feeling wiped out.
As the sun begins to set, your body shifts its focus from active energy expenditure to deep cellular repair and the vital strengthening for your skeletal system. The National Osteoporosis Foundation emphasizes that nighttime is when your bones most efficiently absorb minerals, provided the right building blocks are present. For dinner, choose a light but nutrient-dense meal, such as baked tofu or a small piece of chicken paired with steamed cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or bok choy. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in vitamin K2, which acts as a traffic cop for calcium, directing it into your bones and teeth instead of letting it build up in your arteries. Include a side of sweet potato or quinoa, as these complex carbohydrates help your brain produce serotonin, the precursor to the sleep hormone known as melatonin. A calm mind is essential for physical recovery, as high stress levels produce cortisol, a hormone that can actually break down muscle tissue while you are trying to rest. 1 hour before bed, enjoy a small cup of warm turmeric milk or chamomile tea to soothe joint discomfort and prepare your nervous system for a deep, healing sleep. Turmeric contains curcumin, which the Cleveland Clinic notes is a potent natural remedy for reducing the morning stiffness that many seniors feel in their hands and feet. To maximize your overnight mobility, perform the bedside stretch by gently pulling one knee towards your chest while lying flat to release tension in your lower back. This simple movement decompresses the spine and increases the flow of synovial fluid, which acts as a natural oil for your hip joints while you remain stationary at night. By aligning your evening habits with your body's natural repair cycle, you ensure that you wake up the next morning feeling refreshed and remarkably more limber. To turn these natural tips into a lifelong transformation, you must focus on consistency rather than perfection, allowing your body time to adapt and grow stronger. The World Health Organization suggests that seniors who maintain a routine of varied nutrition and light movement live longer, more independent, and happier lives. Your daily vitality checklist should include 3 key pillars: hydrating with electrolytes, eating anti-inflammatory fats, and performing your mealtime micro-exercises. Remember to rotate your protein sources weekly, alternating between seeds, legumes, fish, and eggs to provide your muscles with a full spectrum of amino acids. If you need an extra boost, consider safe supplements like vitamin D3 and magnesium, which work together to improve both your muscle function and your sleep quality. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new supplement routine to ensure it aligns perfectly with your specific medical history and needs. The beauty of this protocol is that it doesn't require hours at the gym. It only requires a few minutes of intentional choices spread throughout your normal day. By following these steps, you are actively reversing the muscle loss cycle and replacing it with a vitality cycle that supports your freedom and your mobility. You have the power to influence how you age, and it starts with the very next meal you eat and the very next movement you choose to perform for your body. Take this one day at a time, and soon you will notice that standing up is easier, your grip is firmer, and your energy lasts from sunrise all the way to sunset. Your journey to a stronger, more mobile version of yourself begins today, and the Wellness Path podcast is here to support you every single step of the way. After 60, your energy and mobility are not lost. They are simply waiting for you to provide the right timing, nutrients, and consistent daily movement. Start today by choosing one meal to enhance with healthy fats and committing to just 10 repetitions of a micro exercise like chair squats or wall push-ups. To make your progress even easier, follow this simple checklist. Hydrate with lemon and salt, rotate your proteins, and stack your movements with your meals. If you found these natural tips helpful, please like this video and save it to your library so you can refer back to the meal plans and exercises anytime. Subscribe to the Wellness Path podcast and hit the notification bell to join our community of seniors dedicated to living their strongest and most vibrant lives. We would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below sharing which energy-boosting tip or exercise you are going to try first this week. Don't forget to share this video with a friend or a family member over 60 who deserves to feel more independent, mobile, and full of youthful energy. Thank you for watching, and remember that small, consistent steps taken today lead to a lifetime of strength, mobility, and lasting physical freedom. This is very important. This content is for educational purposes only, and you should consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before changing your diet or exercise routine.